Good morning everyone. Now we will discuss about some different types of chemical reaction. Now first of all we have to know about what is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction involves the breaking and making of bonds between atoms produces new substance. That means when a reaction occurs, the old bonds break and new bonds are formed. So this type of reaction is known as chemical reaction. First of all we have combination reaction. Combination reaction means when some elements combine to form a single product. When two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Here we have a diagram. Formation of slaked lime by a reaction of calcium oxide with water. This is a beaker. Beaker contains water and some calcium oxide. When water and calcium oxide react, calcium oxide react with water, that produce slaked lime. In this reaction, there are two reactants and product is single product. So such a reaction is called combination reaction. Now question arises here. What is the use of slaked lime? Slaked lime is the product formed CaOH twice, that is calcium hydroxide, and the use of slaked lime is it is used for whitewashing in homes on the walls. What will you observe when you touch the beaker? The beaker gets cool. So the question is that which reaction is shown in the diagram? That is combination. Definition is when two or more reactants combine to form a single product, that type of reaction is known as combination reaction. And write the chemical equation also. Chemical equation is here. Quicklime with water formed slaked lime. Here is an example of decomposition reaction. This is a boiling tube. Contain ferrous sulfate crystals, some salt, and this is a burner. Which gas is evolved in this type of reaction when ferrous sulfate crystals are boiled? Then formation of nitrogen dioxide. And the reaction for this equation is FeSO4, that means ferrous sulfate are heated and form ferric oxide Fe2O3 plus SO2 and SO3 gas. So next, in decomposition reactions, two types of gases are evolved: nitrogen dioxide and in some reactions sulfur dioxide. So another example is in activity 1.6. In activity 1.6, we have 2 grams of lead nitrate in a test tube, that is boiling tube. This is a test tube holder, and lead nitrate is a boiling tube, and we hold the tube with a pair of tongues over a flame. What do you observe and note down the change? We will observe that brown color fumes are produced in this, and these brown color fumes are of nitrogen dioxide. And the equation is here: lead nitrate PbNO3 twice, that forms 2PbO lead oxide plus 4NO2 nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. This reaction is the example of decomposition. Type of reaction is decomposition reaction. Decompose means break down. When one reactant breaks into two or more products, that reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Now we are on